One of the most common questions we get is, how much did that cost? So today I'm here to talk to you about price, specifically when your parts are bent. So this particular example, this is in 125 thickness aluminum, so 1/8 or about 3 millimeters, 5052 series aluminum. And this part has a total of 2 bends. So one bend across here, and then we count this as one bend because they're parallel to each other. This particular part, if you needed a quantity of 1, $20. Quantity of 10, they go down to about $15 each. And then in a quantity of 100, they go as low as $9 each. So what you'll notice if you've ordered from us in the past, the prices have actually gone down because we have no minimum bending setup fee anymore. It's just what you see is what you get. We're going to charge you per bend, and then the more bends you add, the lower the price goes. So 125 thickness aluminum, 5052, $20. Moving to a different material, this is 119 thickness mild steel, or CRS. This is cold rolled steel, and it's great, especially if you're going to weld or something. I'm not a really good welder when it comes to aluminum, so I usually switch to mild steel. This material is a little bit more expensive for us on the base. So a quantity of 1 is $25. Quantity of 10 goes down to $15. And then a quantity of 100 down to about $10 each. And again, that's with every bend in there. And then finally, a little more expensive material. This is 304 series stainless, same thickness, 125, 3 millimeter. Quantity of 1, $26. Quantity of 10, $16 each. And then in a quantity of 100, about $11 each with the bends shipped to your door. So to get a price on your project, upload your DXF or step file to SendCutSend.com.